Hi, I'm Henry with Richcast Lightworks, and I'm going to talk to you today about everything you need to install one of our custom-made recessed lights. So over here on the table, you can see we have a drill with a hole saw that is 4 3/8 or 4.5 will work just fine for you. You're going to need a box of 1 inch is plenty long enough, coarse thread drywall screws, of course a screw gun, and some heavy duty max strength spray glue. Each kit is going to come with a mud ring and a lighting module. The lighting module goes into the mud ring and you rotate to lock in place. And that holds it once it's mounted in the ceiling. Every kit will also come with a lighting driver that has a selectable color temperature between 2700 and 5000 K. Once you have everything that you need to do the job, grab your hole saw. For this demonstration, we're using some cardboard just because that's what we have on site, but it'll be just the same as it will be with your drywall, except it'll be overhead going in the drywall. So you drill your hole. Once you have your hole drilled, you're going to grab your spray glue, shake it up real good. Put some spray glue around the opening. And me personally, I like to go ahead and glue the back side of the mud ring. So you can spray a little glue on like this. Let that set up for a second. Get a little bit of airflow on it until it tacks up. Usually takes about 30 seconds or so, depending on how much glue you put on and what the temperature is. Go ahead and seat your mud ring into the glue. Press it firmly in place. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your coarse thread drywall screws. Grab yourself some drywall screws. Now the trick here is not to over tighten the drywall screws. It doesn't take much to hold it in place, and that's why you want coarse thread, because you're not going into any wood backing in the back. So you'll locate the hole screws, the hole spots on your mud ring when you can tell because they have a tapered opening for the head of your screw to fit in. So you want to go with very little, very gentle pressure, and you only want to go until it touches the plate. You don't want to over tighten because it'll strip out the drywall. Now remember, this is just secondary to the glue, so it doesn't really matter if you're going into backing or not. We've put in over 1,000 of these lights over the past few years, and we haven't had any problems with drywall cracking or any issues like that. So with all these screws and the glue, it will be secure. You don't have to worry about it coming loose or the drywall cracking or breaking. So as you can see, it's very easy to install. At this point, you can use some mesh tape, or you can just put your joint compound right over this. Once this is ready to go, you'll have your wire up above. You wire in your driver module. That will just slip up inside your cavity. Go ahead and plug in your light, like so. Push your wire up inside your ceiling. Rotate it in and you're done.